Hey everybody, it's Chris Load here, and in this screencast I'm going to share with you how to set up your class assignments and hand-in folders in the computer lab. So doing this will allow students to access assignments that you send to them, as well as submit their or hand in their work, their digital work through the computer lab. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the School Connect site. And if I was at, say I was at McMath, it would be MCMAT. So the first 5 letters, dash fs01.rsd38.ca. And this is actually the same site that you would use to change passwords on the portal. And there is also a link found in every staff room page on the portal. So it's the same link. I'm not actually going to go to the McMath one because I don't have access to that. I'm going to go to, there's one that's created through Tech Services, and I'm going to log in this way. So once you do get to this screen, click on the teacher page or the teacher link, and then you're going to have to log in with your portal credentials. So again, we've got another test account. I'm going to type in the username and password, and I'm going to hit login. And this will bring you to this page here where you are able to create a class in the computer lab. So up here in this drop-down menu, you would click on Manage Classes, and you see we've been playing around with it. There's a few things that have been created already in this in this demo account, but down here is where you would create your brand new class. So click on that Create button. Under the name, you're going to have to use your course code for your when you're creating your class, and this is the course code that is off of the MyEdBC. I don't have access to that, and I don't have my own class, but I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna put down course code, and with this, just as a reminder that you're gonna have to put your course code for the name of the class. You can click on this little icon if you wanted to have a special icon. Let's go. So click on the basketball. There we go. And then I'm going to hit create. There is a checkbox here that says allow group work. If you select that, this will allow students to have a space that is shared and accessed by all. All students would have read and write privileges to any of the files in this group work folder. So I'm going to leave that checked, and I'm going to create that. So I'm going to click on create. And now I've successfully created this class called course code. Of course, you're going to have the real course code in there. Now I want to assign my students. All right, so in this system, we have 4 demo students. Normally, you would see all of the students in your school here. You can filter those students by grade. The class doesn't work, so probably your best bet would be to filter by grade, and I could select just grade 8 and hit go, and that would only give me the grade 8 students. But I'm going to select all students and hit go. So there we go. I'm going to put all the grade 8 students into my class. I can hit shift and I can multi-select those. I believe in Chrome you can control click or click on individual students, and even though they're not necessarily, their names may not be beside each other, you can multi-select a bunch of students. So I've put my students in my class and I hit done. So now there's my course called course code. This incidentally, Mint-10-12 is an actual course code for, I believe, one of the tech courses that's offered in our district. So anyways, I'm going to click on this course code, and so down here, once I click on course code, then I have all of these different options for managing my class. I can click on manage members if I wanted to add more students, and So if I wanted to remove a student, I could do that as well. And so there we've created a system where when the students log in, so when those students do log in using their portal credentials, there will be a volume or drive that pops up on the actual computer that will be connected to your class, and in there there will be hand in an assignment or assignments folder where you can hand in, or there will be also a folder called graded assignments where you can hand things back to the students. Oh, there we go. So course code now only has 2 students in it because I just took one out. So that's the basic setup for a core or for a class that where you want to have them in the computer lab manage your documents digitally and have students hand things in or allow you to hand out assignments to them digitally. All right, hope this helps. Have a good day.